Isa lang pwede sa screen.
Isa lang daw.
Yeah.
Mag-alternate.
Or else sasabog yung
cellphone. Hi!
Were we late? I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're like a little bit late.
I think we wanted to actually start at mga 8:30. Eh, hindi. Anong oras na ngayon sa...
7:30.
7:30-ish, but it's like... 8 minutes late.
Anyways, guys.
Hello, how are you guys? We're here with the rabbit.
Yes, and I'm with the dragon. Fire-breathing dragon.
Yep. And we're actually here with everyone.
Yes.
Hello!
Yeah.
Everyone, show yourselves! Kuya ba? Oh God. Kylo? Jiro! Racer! The other one, I don't know. Maybe he has a different group.
Pido. Pido.
Ta-da! Winston. Yeah, we're all here.
And we are
Horizon! H-O-R-I-7 on! Feeling ko kumakanta sila. Try natin. Feeling ko sa kanilang bahay, sumakanta sila. So, para warm up lang no live natin.
Alright.
Okay. Even can show me a girl, it's you my lucky.
H-O-R-I-7 on.
Hey!
Lucky.
Say what?
Let's
What?
turn.
Huh.
Lucky 7 on.
Let's go!
Lucky. Yes.
I'm
lucky.
yung mga tao siguro sa paligid ng anchors ngayon parang anong ginagawa niyo sa laptop? Gumaganon. Yeah,
we were actually
we miss performing in front of a live audience. It's been a long time ago, right?
it has
Been a long
super
time.
fun, like especially like the fan signs.
Yeah.
I can't believe that was like
That was, yeah. Actually, I'm conflicted nga kung matagal na siya or kanina lang siya. Kasi parang bang, sometimes in my head, it's parang kahapon lang. Pero
Tas minsan naman,
parang last year pa ba yun, di ba? Pero this year lang pala siya.
Diba?
Kasi lagi din minamention ng anchors na they enjoyed fan signing events. I think it's one of the core memories as a lucky anchor.
Right.
Because it was lucky time. It was the era of lucky talaga.
Grabing lucky. Ano yung lucky ulit sa Tagalog?
Swerte
talaga. Swerte talaga mga girl.
Wow, we got 800 people in here right now.
Yes. Guys, we nag-practice nga kami for our concert.
Yeah, because in
Today,
exactly a month.
in exactly a month.
Do you have a month in
gotta be-
the day?
there it
Oh
is.
yeah.
I don't know if it's mirrored for you guys, but it says
October 3. Today is October 3, and then a month after this
November.
is November 3, which you all know what's gonna happen that day. It's going to be Day Tour Encore. Hi.
super exciting. And
Yeah.
it's crazy because like I feel like this concert is gonna be something that our anchors are gonna be so like almost proud of.
Yeah.
Right? Because like especially for the anchors that watch the first one, I feel like if they watch this second one, they're gonna be like, oh, you know, they're gonna be so touched because we're bringing something new to this concert for sure. That's something that we promise also ourselves. Kasi kahit kami ayaw din namin ng paulit-ulit yung mga pina-perform namin. Sometimes we also, you know, it's not always that we're happy that we're performing the same songs. Yeah.
But we're making sure talaga na this one is a new experience in itself. Kasi kahit kami, even maybe I don't know if you guys are, you know, like tired of some songs repeating over and over again being performed,
which is valid.
Yeah, which is valid. You're like it's not a bad thing to have that thought. Kasi kahit kami as artists na may ganung kanta,
Right.
it's like burnout, but for our ears. Kasi imagine, iba practice natin before i-release. Like,
Yeah.
not just hundreds of times.
Yeah, before
but like,
we actually release the song, we've probably
Yeah.
heard it like hundreds of times.
yeah, that's why it's kind of hard for us to stream with you guys. It's like, I'm kind of tired of this song. Maybe let's listen to another song for the day.
Yeah.
So, ayun yung feeling ko, yun yung goal namin for this concert is to really bring almost everything, 99% everything new. Grabe, o, tingnan mo. Ngayon may nag-sit ups. So, buka mo, may makikita kayong mga bagay na...
Can we show it?
Maybe we should show it. Exposed. Oh. Nag-iyak na siya.
Ala,
Oh, no.
sorry.
Yung stand natin. Wait lang.
Yes. We are all kind of gearing up.
Yeah, we're
for the
kanya-kanyang pag-gear up para sa concert. That's why we're excited kasi I know it's like a lot of the we don't have that much new songs right now that are out, but you know,
right now that are about. Hey, the article came out today.
yeah, not just the article,
The
the
announcement.
thing. I didn't know it was gonna come out yesterday. It was just like,
Oh right.
it was just there.
Right?
It was
You
just
were
there.
like, what?
I was like, it's out.
Because I thought
Kasi
they were gonna.
sabi nila parang
They
akala
kind
ko
of leaked our little dance practice.
Yeah, they didn't even
Which
ask
was-
us. Just kidding. They
we,
were
were,
like,
we were just okay.
what?
We were just as surprised as everyone else,
Yeah.
basically.
Kasi
Pero-
nakita na lang namin naka-upload na yung kasi pinapakita namin yung mga dance namin. Syempre to the higher ups para malaman nila kung ano yung nangyayari.
Yeah.
So I don't know, I thought it was just gonna be like that. Then I saw it was already online.
Right.
And I think it got good traction. I mean,
Yeah.
the anchors are liking it. Do you guys like it? Do you guys,
You guys like it? Because did you guys see Kuya Vinci's like?
Good thing the one they posted was the part that
The angle, right? The camera
yeah,
angle.
the angle.
You didn't see your abs.
The angle, yeah, nah, that doesn't exist. It helped. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nakisama yung
camera angle. But-
Thank you so much.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys saw na, pero na-announce na talaga article that we are going to release
I think it's official na talaga.
official
So we can
album,
bring
which
it
we
up.
have been trying to cover up actually for
The
quite
longest
some
time. I mean, Giro has always been, spoiling it.
yeah.
You know, he's already sa Billboard, di ba?
Yeah,
Billboard.
he was like-
When Billboard was, I was like, oh, there he goes. There he goes.
Oh, yeah. So, but yeah, it is true. We will be releasing an album.
Uy, pakita mo muna yung butata mo! Kasi nag-replace
Okay, ready?
Kuya Pablo.
Okay, from the top. 5, 6, 7. Butata! Hey! Yeah! Ano man ang respeto? Butata! Panis! Butata!
Wala nangyari. Grabe yung kilikili mo dun, ha? Like, slay. It was a slay. I was
Guys,
surprised.
TMI. Whose sando was that?
It's
Yep.
Vince's sando.
Of course it was mine.
That's it,
He
yeah.
doesn't own any sandals.
Yeah, like,
I was the-
no, I own.
Okay, this is actually mine too.
Yeah, because like all of my clothes are in the laundry right now, so yeah.
Tamad ka lang maglaba.
Kaya nga naglaba ako ngayon
Oo
eh.
nga. Ay, ito na yung time ulit na nag-freeze yung mga damit natin, di ba? Remember? Sa dati nating door. Pag-uwi namin, kasi first,
Yeah.
di ba, last year, it was our first year sa Korea. So, first time, except ikaw, na mag-winter. Eh, syempre, feeling ko ikaw din, hindi ka naman naglabas siguro
Yeah,
dati.
100%.
So, when we went home, our clothes were iced up.
It was
Para siyang
literally
freezer.
like when you touch it, like
Hard
nagiginaw talaga.
Hard talaga.
Ako din yung binublower ko na lang din.
Binublower mo?
Diba?
Oh my God.
Pero ngayon,
Kaya pala yung ano natin, kuryente natin, pre, ano eh.
to the roof.
Through the roof na.
Pero ngayon meron na tayong heater.
Yeah.
Which was good.
May heater, tapos microwave. Huh?
Huh?
Oo nga, may filter to.
Yeah.
I mean, white.
Hindi,
Okay.
hindi siya white kasi parang
It's
wait
like
lang.
blur. We can change it.
Yeah, we
Cute
can
kaya?
change it. Bakit biglang ay? Cute ka naman, oh.
Kasi nahirapan kami sa lighting kanina.
Yeah.
So, boom, overexposure.
This is the best way to go. Yeah, okay, we're back to normal. We're
back to normal exposure.
See, that looks boring. What do you guys like better?
Mas maganda yung isa. Mas
Diba?
maputi.
Mas
Maganda.
Hindi, mas bright lang.
Ha?
Normal na lang. Ayan, normal to.
Buto to.
Ikaw.
Feel ko lighting namin nagmumukha kaming letter pink. Letter pink?
Lucky.
Nagkukulay
Letter
pink. Letter pink. Kaya yun.
Ano kami?
Ha? Oh yeah. I mean, if you want to. Wait, hindi, ito na lang, para hindi natin basta nilalabas yung information. Let's see what they're curious about, and then maybe we can talk a little bit more about it.
Let's see.
Because, you know,
Let's see.
they're probably curious because especially those na nakapunta na sa first concert namin.
Diba?
Okay.
Paano daw mag-confess sa crush?
Wait lang. Ay, sige, pinutin natin.
Una,
Nasaan
sabihin
yun?
mo hello.
Ito.
Paano mag-confess sa crush?
How did...
First, you say, "Hi, my name is Marcus Sheridan Palad Cabayes. I'm 15 years old."
paano kayo dati nag-umamin sa crush? Meron umamin sa inyo sa crush?
Wala. Sa akin maamin.
Ano, paano? Totoong tao? I mean, ano? I mean, face to face. With words.
With words. I
Oh,
gave her
wow.
a flower.
Wow!
Gave her a flower.
Wow!
And I say,
Amazing.
"Hey, you're really beautiful today." And I was 3 years old.
Oh, so that's where the confidence came from.
Wow, 3 years old?
Yeah,
Because
and
I could do that.
and I gave her all my money.
Oh, wow!
I gave her.
You got money?
Yeah,
3 years old?
20 pesos. Yeah, I gave her my 20 pesos.
I
I didn't eat the whole day, and then my mom found out
That's
that I
true
didn't
love.
eat
That's
the whole day, and I told my mom, "No, I gave it to
blank.
And she was like, "You're not gonna fall in love too hard."
You're not gonna fall in love and be hungry.
And be hungry.
You
and
need to choose one.
And broke. And
Oh my god, broke, hungry, and in love,
And in love.
at 3 years old.
Not good mix.
That is one hell of a mix. I like that.
Yeah.
Ako parang chat-chat lang. Ganun.
Ako kasi kapag...
Chat lang.
Ako kasi pag crush ko yung tao, parang nahuhulog agad. You are not the father!
O yung kumuha kayo ng upuan.
Hindi, pero yun nga. Kasi feel ko masaya mahalin yung crush mo.
Lo! Grabe, mahal agad. Crush muna yung sa akin.
Ganun na, oh.
Since nung nung varsity year ako, may mga ako talagang mga alam mo na.
Pero hindi ko ginawa yung mga crush ko. Parang yun lang yung
Puro
feeling
crush
ko.
lang talaga.
Yun yung feeling ko. Na sarap siguro mahalin yung crush
Bakit
mo.
ba si Racer naka-earphone siya? Ay, hindi pala. Wala siya sinasabi. Pakita naman natin si Racer. Wala.
Anong pag may crush ka, paano ka nag-ano?
Dati, may naging crush ako dati pero nahihiya ako.
Pero nakwento niya na mahilig siya sa happy crush. Kasi parang natutuwa siya na may crush siya. Pero
ganun nga.
pero ngayon wala na siyang pake. Ngayon wala na siyang crush. Wala, ang crush niya na lang ay pagkain. Yun na lang.
As in, makikita mo si Rizzo naka...
Ay, alam ko crush ni Racer. Coke Zero.
True.
Every morning.
Every morning, every hour, every.
I also don't understand English nor the other language. So currently, I don't understand.
Oh, we can
a
make
word-
you understand.
a word, you see.
What?
But not. And
Oh,
my
French.
Bonjour. Bonjour.
Comment vous vous appelez?
Je m'appelle Marcos.
Je m'appelle Vinci.
Je t'aime. Is that how you say it?
Yeah, I think so. Monsieur.
Yes.
I should have watched Emily in Paris, bro. I should have watched it.
What is it? Emily Holmes?
Bisous.
Wait,
Bisous.
What is Holmes? Enola Holmes.
And
Is she French? I don't know.
British, bro. That's British.
Oh, it's British.
I mean, it's Europe. Okay, so
Okay, close enough.
the guy there, I think, got.
Ratatouille. Let's watch
Oh
Ratatouille.
yeah, you're a Ratatouille.
I love the rat. Like ever since I watched Ratatouille, I suddenly wanted to have a pet rat. But okay, try to.
Okay, try to grab something. Except I'm controlling the eggs. Whoa! See that worked? That worked.
I'm the rat.
I'm the rat. I'm the
new
rat. Bonjo.
Paano makamove
Bizu,
on?
bizu.
Listen to Horizon.
Wait, let's find more questions to answer. This is fun.
It is.
TMI for today.
Hey.
Oh. I think alam na we know. Siyempre hindi namin sasabihin sa inyo. Kasi anong point pa? Pero alam na namin yung buong ito buong boom. Ito na lang. Huwag natin sabihin.
Yeah, do what you will with
Yung
that
buong
visual information.
So medyo na-imagine na namin like this is gonna be fun. The context is it's about the concert.
Correct.
We have the whole and it's gonna be fun. Kasi meron na kaming experience from meron na kaming first concert, diba? So meron na kaming pinagbasihan na gusto namin mag-improve from. So I think this one is gonna be I'm very excited about it.
Ayaw magbigay ng hint. I mean, that's the hint.
Sasayaw kami ng Five
Like-
Little Monkeys.
We got the whole
We got the
thing.
whole-
Tapos
Tapos? Pagkatas nito.
Tapos,
ayun. Ganda nun,
Tama,
diba?
tama. Ganda
Diba?
na plano nun. Tapos
Okay.
dapat gumanto tayo.
Tapos
Oo,
dito.
naggaganto. Kasi di ba, si ganto tapos si ganto gaganto. Tapos si ganto gaganto. Tapos may ganto. Tapos, pupunta doon. Tapos, boom. Tapos yung ganto.
Wala. Kaya, hintayin nyo.
Kaya mag-aabang na kayo.
Kaya,
Get your tickets na!
kaya bumili na kayo ng
Commercial. Tsaka ang special kasi din dito sa mga experience namin as concert makers. As concert performers, our concert are just once a year.
Right.
It's not like we have
Alaka ka ba? Ba't ka tumatalon-talon?
We have like a routine.
it's not like we have tours all around
Right,
the
right, a
world.
tour.
That's something that we are hopeful for and we are working towards to. That's the goal. But right now what we have is a single concert for a year. And of course we're very grateful that we're allowed
I mean, just to have a concert in general
to
is
do
like
that.
big.
So this I don't know. This is just gonna be another all the regrets that I had from the past concert, which of course I had because it was just my first and I didn't know what to do. Like with everything, but now I think I've got things more to show
Yes,
for me
of course.
personally, and I think also with everyone.
Bye.
Basta pa tayong comments. Hello. Ang puti masyado nung text, hindi ko mabasa. Lagyan natin ng hindi ko mabasa.
Sana all nasa Pinas,
Pinas
next month.
month.
Is it next month? Or are we going earlier than next month?
Maybe. We'll never know. Do you guys have an individual song? Does that mean a solo? We'll see.
We're gonna find out, guys.
Yeah. Do you have more questions about the concert? Please drop them now. We might
End of the day.
answer some because we're feeling generous today because it is only a month away. So of course we want to give you some inside details. The only select anchors will know. Only 916 right now anchors will know about this. Exclusive.
This is exclusive information right here.
Exclusive.
This is an exclusive Q&A. My album ba? Yes.
Yeah.
There is an album, so if you guys think that we're only gonna
And if
release
you-
a singular
and
thing,
I'll repeat this again because Marcus, ever since you've left, I mean not left, but like have promote with IZX, they've been wondering if you're gonna be staying here. And yes, he is. He's here.
I am
He's present.
here. I'm
He
still
will not leave. It's like it's like a side hustle.
Yes.
It's like
It's not,
in the morning you're doing this.
yeah,
and
it's
then
like
at night-
it's like a part-time job.
Yeah, it's like a part-time.
but in a
Something
really,
like-
really good way. In a really the best way.
Yeah, in a fun way because you get to also be with other people.
For sure, right? So do not worry, guys.
Yeah,
I'm
he's not
still
leaving.
a Horizon member.
Because people are really curious that you're gonna like. They really thought you were gonna leave. And I'm like, did anyone say you were gonna leave? Because I didn't think so. I don't think there was anything that's said anywhere that you were going to leave. Yeah, but they were thinking that. So I was like worried because what if they think we're gonna end? No.
Horizon is forever.
Horizon is 7 and it's in the spelling, so it wouldn't make sense.
If we become 6 members,
yeah, it's
that's
just not
gonna be
make sense.
awkward.
It's
so
not gonna make sense.
Let's not do that.
It's not gonna be Horizon anymore then. It's gonna be another
It's just
name.
Horizon.
It's gonna be, what are the other names they had in mind?
Between
Dream
7.
Yeah, Dream 7.
Chaser.
Oh, Dream 6 in this case, yeah.
Chaser. Oh, is that a thing? Chaser? Chase.
Maybe.
Chase Atlantic.
I think there's something connected to dreams then. Kunda.
Hulaan nyo kung ano to.
Yoga mat.
Magyo-yoga kasi.
Ay, yan na sila.
Wala na to. Pero ikwento kaya natin na nagsinungaling si Winston. Ano yung ganun, Minsan nahuli sila.
Lalaglag ba?
Nahuli sila. Wala na, private.
Lumabas kasi sila.
Tumakas kasi kami.
Tumakas sila papunta lang sa
What's up with this?
kainan sa restaurant.
Siyempre nagutom.
Tapos sinabi nila pumunta sila sa convenience store kahit restaurant naman din.
Uy, ikaw yung nakaisip na hindi na ako nagsalita. Hindi na ako nagsalita, ikaw na yun.
Ako ang masama, ikaw ang mabuti.
Grabe may lies.
Siya yung ano, sabi niya, hindi. Convenience store tayo punta. Wala akong yan.
Yan, that's the, that's
This
the
is
life.
our life.
This is the life of Horizon. The life of a Filipino idol in South Korea.
Marcus, anong uniform?
Kasi tumaas yung shadow. You know, weird.
Tumaas yung shadow.
Ayun!
Wow, okay, fix it.
Okay.
Guys, wear whatever you want, but since it's Date or Anchor High, this is like, we're classmates. So you should wear school uniform or anything related to school.
Yeah. Like if you want to be a principal, you want to be
wear a
teacher,
tie, just something like a coat.
You want to be ano ba bang laman sa school? You want to be a student council?
You can be a pencil.
Yeah, a pencil is nice.
Yeah, just
have you tried being a pencil before?
I've not actually.
It's fire.
Sounds
imagine
interesting, though.
imagine having lead at the front,
right?
And like you get renewed every day.
We have this segment where we actually call anchors up to stage, and then there's just a pencil on stage.
Like a pencil on stage, and you're gonna be there. You're gonna stay there.
Yes,
forever.
Did we accidentally pin? Oh, we did.
Oh yeah, because we asked someone. So, okay, let's not read first. Let's click and then answer.
Okay. What are they doing in the back?
Okay, this one's easy. Fave food ng Horizon.
Cheese tonkatsu.
Exactly.
That is something.
Yun yung, ito sasabihin na namin, it's the password of our Wi-Fi.
It is the password of our Wi-Fi.
It's the password of our
If
Wi-Fi.
you manage to break into our dorm,
which don't do that.
please do not.
Hajima.
Please do not. It's a very hypothetical situation.
Yep. We're not suggesting it.
We're not.
It's not good. Do not do that.
You know the password.
You're gonna know the password of the Wi-Fi only. Not of the whole thing.
Not the dorm itself. We're not gonna tell you the password of our dorm because for privacy and security. ML account reveal.
ML account.
Is that even? I don't think that's. I don't
like a milliliter.
I'll show you like.
Guys, do you...
Not too lazy to open Mobile Legends.
Parang alam na ata nila yung ML account natin.
Really? I don't think.
Maybe not all. Maybe some managed to
find it,
but
from the dark web.
Yeah, from the pits of dirt.
Okay, let's find another one. Oh no.
ID ko guys. 32898383431.
Is that actually?
Yeah, that's the...
Wait, what? Did you just reveal it?
Oh, well, that's cool. So there's that, guys.
Laro tayo, guys, if you guys want to play with me.
Spoilers, a new album.
What's a good spoiler?
that an album is not just one song, right? That's a good spoiler.
Yeah.
As an album consists of not just one song.
There's so many.
Yeah,
Many
that's it.
songs.
Let's be simple with the answers.
Very kind of.
Genshin UID reveal. Oh,
I don't even-
kids.
Yes. You're like AR 50 something now. He's really good at Genshin.
Oo, gabi-gabi makikita ko naglalaro.
Uy, hindi na yung Genshin, pre.
ZZZ na yun. Supernova.
May paborito naming laro ngayon yun. Ano, Chris? Kami ni Vinci.
Dark concept na ba 09s? Well, we don't know unless you come. So,
Ano daw?
dark concept na daw ba tayo?
Oo, susunugin namin sila.
Dark, magiging dark na.
Gagawin namin silang uling. We're gonna cook them. Tapos na ba kayo kumain?
Yes!
Kayo? Oo daw. MLD ID reveal. Ay, hindi pala.
MLD ID.
We don't have MLD IDs.
This is my ID, Mike Wazowski.
One eye lang.
What
Hindi nagre-renew
when I'm
yung ano.
sleeping.
Ano pa? May nakakatakot bang part
Sa concert?
concert?
Ye-
Nakakatakot.
Kapag lumabas si Kiyumis.
Grabe! Iyak na siya!
Si Jiro Lagi ako inaaway ni Jiro. Ang first, fight
Guys, ang haba na ng buhok ko.
Fight for my
Okay lang yan.
Gusto nyo guys, gusto ko sana magpagupit eh.
Guys, dun daw sa
Kaso,
concert, magdala daw kayo ng
Undercut gusto ko.
shaver.
Yes, ng
Tas-
gunting.
Ng gunting or shaver.
Gusto ko magpa-undercut,
magpapakalbo ka
guys.
na, no? Sa concert.
kalbo?
Oo. Skinhead.
Ayoko.
Or fade.
I don't want that.
Pero ang kapalit daw sold out daw.
Oh.
Bro, palag. Let's go. Guys, pag na-sold out yung ticket,
Kaya sa
ticket
Cheat
guys.
kami, magkakalbo kami lahat.
Magpapakalbo ko. Magpapakalbo ko, seryoso.
Nang nose
Chincha,
hair.
chincha.
Nang nose
I'm
hair.
going to bald my hair
You're going to bald
if the tickets are sold out.
Ako magbababald ako sa sobrang tuwa siguro. Pero hindi
Yes.
kasi nabuto. Okay. Okay, how do I... Oh, here. Oh, okay. Lang. Ano oras no?
Saan ka makakakita ng idol
already
na
9:05.
magpapakalbo sa concert? Exactly.
Exactly. It's
Where are you
the
ever gonna see that?
Only in Dayton.
Only, okay, we're probably not gonna do that,
Yeah.
but...
Lu.
Hello! Jeremy Melendres Batak joined! Hello po!
Sino yun?
Yung sa Horizon?
Di ba singer siya?
Wala, sino yun? Kasama,
Tsaka
idol daw
dancer.
yun.
Magaling daw siya sumayaw, guys.
I can relate.
Parang ngayon nakita ko nga yung kilikili niya.
I'm a singer.
Yung sa butata.
Bakit mo lagi inaan yung kilikili niya?
Nino.
Nung ni...
May armpit, ano yan?
Lolo.
Fetish.
Armpit fetish.
No, I don't!
ka nang magpaluman.
Why do you sound like soundboards? You just have like... When if I press a button, you're gonna be like, wag ka na magpaliwanag. Wag ka na magpaliwanag. They have lines, bro. They are AI. They are ChatGPT.
ChatGPT mode.
Gusto ko makausap si ChatGPT in Konyo. Parang maangas.
Diba?
Nakita ko online. Like, yo. Did you eat
Murang
some
luha ko nung
egg waffles?
na-notice ni Marcus.
Oh, let's test your Konyo levels. Do you know egg waffles? What was
Yes.
it? The orange... What's the...
Egg waffle.
Hindi ko yan.
Egg waffles.
Was it the orange waffle?
The orange circles?
Oh my gosh! So you really think those are egg waffles?
Are they not egg waffles?
I mean, they're squick. They're
They're egg.
Quick, quick.
Yeah,
Oh my
I
god.
mean,
But they're not waffles.
they're not
So,
waffles.
that's the
I
egg
don't know. I don't know
waffles.
the egg waffle.
Egg
that's what
waffles?
they
I've
call
tried actual egg waffles. They're really-
Hugo.
They're like waffles, and like, you know how waffles are like square-ish shapes inside?
Yeah.
Instead, it's circle.
Oh.
And I don't even know if it's actual egg. It's not egg. It's just that it's circle. They called it an egg waffle. 'Cause-
Oh, but it's not.
yeah, but it's just a regular waffle.
Balot masarap.
Based on the one that I actually tried.
Fave drink nyo
Balot
guys.
with
We
dinosaur
have.
feet.
We have. I actually have it on my
Dinosaur
phone
food.
because whenever they. Oh, this is my phone.
That's your phone.
But it is, okay, let me do this. You like an iced white choco drink. Am I right? I'm right.
Wait, what are we talking about again?
The fave drinks.
Oh, fave drinks.
Someone asked fave drinks.
Right.
Your fave drink?
Matcha.
Hey, I'm gonna Hulaan ko nga eh. Pero yun yung sasabihin ko.
Oh, okay.
Ikaw, Java chip.
Wow. How did you...
Ikaw, ice white choco din.
No.
No!
No.
Yun yung nilagay ka, wala ka nang magagawa.
No. Not.
So what is it?
Strawberry.
Strawberry?
I mean, that's his
Dairy.
second option.
Dairy
That's their second
Dairy.
option.
Our second option, but like
But,
Oh no! My
in
favorite now is
like
ano?
any
Choco?
coffee brand.
Choco. Vanilla. Ano?
tinan mo, di mo nga alam eh. Mas alam ko pa.
Diba?
Racer, iced americano, simple.
Sikim.
And
Kim Bro.
Kim
Ice
pomegranate.
America. Oh.
Ano siya niya?
That's pomegranate.
Recommend any hero in Mobile Legends. I will do a maniac with it. Ling. And I want it to be like where it flies and then that has to be like the way to get a maniac. Anyway,
My hair is so bad. Oh my god.
guys, if we reach 1,000 views, we're gonna do something. I don't know.
We're gonna sing for you guys.
Okay, we'll sing for you. No, like we'll actually sing for you guys.
We can sing for you guys.
Yes, the duo. We are the
We are the Marchi.
March.
March.
Even though it's October.
We're gonna make it feel like March.
Oh yeah, what is our duo name? Are we just?
It's March.
Is this it?
It's Vincus. No, that's not good. Vincus?
Vincus.
Sounds like a bad word.
Vincus.
I'm a Vincus.
I'm the victim. I'm the victim.
I'm the victim. You're
the Vincus.
Oh, Konyo duo.
Oh,
Well, not really Konyo.
But sometimes you can actually.
I can
you
do
are
it
actually.
if someone.
No, but like not even forced. Like sometimes you actually
Yeah,
are kind of.
Kasi feeling ko mas madali din i-explain. Hindi,
Like in
Taglish.
English.
Pero hindi naman ako Konyo. I'm down with the Taglish.
Yeah, honestly, me too. I think it's come to the point that I'm also.
Your sister though.
Oh, my sister.
She's Konyo, right?
Yeah, I would think I would. Yeah, she's good at Tagalog, but if you actually hear her speak Taglish,
Maybe with her friend.
yeah, with her friends, like, do you want to grab dito? sa-"
Yeah. That's the real Konyo.
Yeah, that's like.
Because we do Taglish.
Yeah,
we don't do
Taglish.
Konyo naman.
Ate, I love you. If you're watching this, there's no problem with that.
Yeah.
It's beautiful. You're beautiful.
We love Konyo.
Yes,
And the non-Konyos.
and the non-Konyos as well.
Yeah.
Oh, Yapper duo. We are the Yapper.
Oh,
duo.
yeah, I like that.
We are the Yapper.
We love yapping. Because look at us talking so much when there's someone in the center just being like,
Yeah, just existing.
tapos kami, dadala kami ng dada, pero siya, oh my God. Ay, nahulog-tulog. Siya nakaganon kami, dadadadadadadada. Yep, that's reality.
Sa inyong magkakapatid, walang konyo.
Sa amin, wala.
Alright.
Wala.
Oh, really? Okay.
I mean, siguro yung sister ko nga din, yung pinakamatanda, is the most
The closest.
But kami nung younger na, we just speak in Tagalog.
Tagalog.
But yeah, if someone was to point a
Paano
weapon
ba
at
maging
us,
konyo? Hindi ako, paano ba?
Yeah,
basta you have to,
yeah. Can you say, "Hey Kuya, can I have that quick?
yeah.
Hey kuya, can I have that quick?
Magkano po yan, Kuya?"
Ba't Tagalog hindi sanay?
Ito, hindi lang yun, pero sasabihin mo talaga, let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Okay, let's make tawid-tawid to the other side.
Yeah. But if it's in Taglish, sasabihin mo
The
lang,
other side.
tawid tayo sa highway. Tawid
Let's
tayo
make-
sa road.
Let's
Like, kumbaga,
Pero pag Konyo, as in parang,
"Hey Kuya,
it's
magkano
like,
yung shortcut niya, parang-
biglang what? There's a Tagalog there?
magkano yung transformation? Transportation.
Yeah, sa jeepney.
Pero mahirap na actually ngayon.
Yeah, it is hard.
Yeah, it's very. Well, I saw this TikTok like Kuya! Like, it's the only thing I remember.
Guys,
What was it?
Like it's
It was
like
just Kuya?
James Reid and Coco Martin.
magugulat
It's like an
kayo.
actual movie
It's like,
line?
yeah, it's like, he's like, Kuya! Why are you ignoring me, Kuya? Kasi, ba't mo alam mo kung ba't di kita pinapansin? Kasi English ka ng English! Di kita maintindihan!
Ay, napanood din akong Coco Martin kagabi.
Yeah.
Pati sila ni Tony Gonzaga. Yung social media. And Coco Martin was like, social media. Social like, social media. Social media. No, kahit i-break over mo pa yan, hindi mo matatawa. Tawa ako kagabi. Habang nag-skincare ako, naka-loop lang yung TikTok.
Yes, kumain na po kami.
Ako guys, kinain ko lang is
What did you eat?
1 cup of coffee and
Wow. Chocolate.
They call it
Chocolate.
chocolate pang.
Oh, 진짜? Oh, I guessed it.
Yeah,
Chocolate.
chocolate pang. It's bread, bro.
Oh, someone said they're learning Filipino for you, Kyle.
Oh, really?
Can you teach them a Filipino word that you think they don't know? Like,
Okay. Said, sabihin nyo guys, mahal ko kayo.
mahal ko kayo means I love you.
I love
Why
you.
did I stutter?
I love you all, right? Maybe.
Oh yeah. Mahal ko kayong lahat. Yeah. Why did I stutter when I said that? Parang tuloy hindi ako Pinoy. Hindi, Pinoy.
Tapos, ano ba? Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends. Maging magkaibigan tayo. Slowly.
Maging magkaibigan tayo.
Let's be friends.
Like,
우리 친구하자.
친구하자.
Maybe.
Ano pa ba?
Kaya nga, ayaw niya nga umupo eh. Umupo ka daw, Kylie. Ito. If you want. Asan po si Jeremy? Jeremy and Winston are wrestling right now. Actually, ano na namin, tapos na yung rehearsals namin. So, nag-chill-chill lang kami. And gusto naming we just update you guys about the month-away concert. Kahit masungit kayo sa BGC, idol ko pa din kayo.
BGC? What's it?
Baka dun sa
GC.
Samsung event?
Maybe.
Masunod ba tayo dun sa Samsung event?
I don't think so. I think we were there friendly.
BGC.
Bumunta lang ako doon pero family ko yung kasama ko. Horror stories. Uy, Kim, oo nga pala kasi Halloween, baka may horror story ka dyang baon.
Guys, ako nga pala, abangan nyo yung kasi na-reveal na sa sa X yung di ba? Yung namin.
Oh yeah?
Yung episode namin ni Rayster.
Huh? Huh? Ah?
Abangan nyo lang guys, abangan nyo.
No. But it is, nakakita ko nga yung ibang.
Kasi na-release dun, may nag-picture. Matagal pa yan.
Wala pa daw. Ito may wala pa. Wait namin yan. Just casually said it.
Ipakita
I was like,
mo
what?
Tingnan niyo pre. Talo si Winston.
Okay, I'll be the referee.
Ganyan sila, guys.
Stop it! 싸우지 마.
Kapoy daw, kapoy. Pagod na daw, pagod.
Talo si Winston.
Kapoy manoy. Kami guys, kapoy na kaayo. For preparing our concert. Kapoy, sobrang kapoy. Kapoy means pagod. Kasi Dahil sa preparation.
Part of their workout,
Yeah.
wrestling. Rayster is sitting like this right now.
Rayster is practicing
Something. Guys, do you want us? Do you want us?
Do you want?
What if this is theoretical? What if we would have subunit stages? Who would you guys want to see match up together? Do you guys suggestions? Because we can. Is that taste clean? It is.
P-pop
Masaya.
din. Sa'yo, Vinci, P-pop or ano talaga? Yung gusto mo.
Naalin.
Yung makapag-sama natin.
Kahit ano. Siyempre. Basta.
Pero sino yung gusto nyo, guys? Or maghula na kayo? Feel ko meron na eh.
2K daw!
Feel ko meron na.
Girl.
Vinster? Is that's Vinci and Rayster, right? That's Kimster is Kim and Rayster. Oh, they're giving. So nagtatanong kasi ako kung ano yung mga subunit nilang gustong makita sa concert. So lots are saying about Kim and Rayster. There's Vinci and Rayster. Puro Rayster ah. Yung iba. 2K. There's 2K as well.
Yung line daw.
09.
09.
Mangne line. Mangne line otte.
Let's go.
Mangne line! Mangne line otte!
Uy, ano daw sa inyo?
Ano? Wrestling.
Wrestling.
Oh, magre-wrestling
for concert.
sila, dalawa. Tapos yung isa referee. Katok. Sino katok?
Kaikus daw. Sabi.
Ah, puro Rayster ah. Kimchi, Kim and Vinci. 09s. Kimchi as well. Okay, we will write them down. Isulat mo na lang.
Okay, I will
Okay,
write.
screenshot mo na lang sa phone mo ngayon. Yung mga sinasabi nila. Para titingnan namin kung ano yung pinakamadami and okay, gagawin namin. Or isa-suggest namin.
Oo na.
Yin Yang Duo. That's us, right?
Yeah, that's us.
Please, kalma. Totoro. That's
Me and
Jiro and
Gatotto.
Rayster.
Rayster.
V's. V's. Kala ko V'ster. So, 09s. Oh. 09s.
09.
Gata mo na.
Tokiji?
That's me
That's
and
you and
Kuya Kyle.
Kaya pala to.
G. That's akala ko si Jiro.
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Ako din nung una.
Okay. Wait, ano yung pangalan pag si Winston?
Winster.
Oh, parang walang Winster. Like that, huh? That sounds weird.
Wala
Winster? That sounds kind of weird. Sounds like a drink.
Meron po.
Like, I want a Winster.
Give me a bowl of Winster.
Give me a Winster melon. Bermuda Triangle. Vinci and Winston. Oh. Someone says Gento, 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 Gento. We did Gento in our first concert.
Yeah.
Titignan ko.
May ginagawa ngayon si
Kingston.
Kingston. Ano, what's your thoughts, Rayster, sa... Punta ka dito. Paliwa. What's your thoughts on Winster? Because that's the first time I've heard of that.
Winter.
Hindi, anong thoughts mo? Like, hindi lang.
Malamig.
Is it a yay or a nay?
Winster, malamig.
Parang ayaw niyo.
Ano malamig?
Pwede naman, pero kailangan kang bayaran. Magkano para bayaran ka?
1 million.
Wow.
10,000.
Amazing.
Barda Duo, who's that?
Kyler and me.
Kami.
Kasi lagi nga silang saw, keso.
Sausa.
Balagbag.
Balibag?
Balagbag.
Si Ian Veras.
Hala, oo.
Alam mo yun,
Nakita ko yun,
I keep seeing clips of him doing like
Papa-picture tapos
Yeah.
papaganon.
Like example, I'm an anchor and you're Ian Veneracion. You would just lift me and like turn me around. Babalik na rin mo. Nakita ko yung clips. Ang funny. Ayoko mabalik na rin.
Gaganon.
Baka sumakit yung chan ko.
Parang katulad mo kay Gia.
We can do that. Ay, di ba kaya mo siya? Kay! Wait! Balik na rin mo si Winston. Ipakita natin. Okay, Ian Veneracion. Si... Oh my God!
Dapat yung ano yun, ay, babalik ka.
Oo nga, go! Wait, gusto niyo ba isa? One more? Dapat makisama ka.
1, 2, 3, go.
Wow!
Pero ang sakit, nakalimutan ko ni Gia.
Ouch!
Ba't lang? Ang galing ni Gia.
Stroller duo?
So strong!
Who's stroller duo?
I don't know.
May stroller?
Baka babe, sila, oh nice. Stroller.
Autos tayo.
No oras na. Dalawa? 9:30 na pala.
Autos kami.
Kasi February 2.
Ang galing. Ngayon ko lang narinig.
Tayo stroller?
Hindi, autos. Autos.
Kaichi!
Kaichi. Vinci.
Parang lychee. Cup duo. Ooh. Because we wear caps. I actually have the same cap. But like bigger letters.
Pareho tayo.
Kyler, do it.
Depunim.
Gusto na nila ng Kyler Depunim do it. Oh my God, I like that idea. I'm going to write that down. And I'm gonna be like, Depunim. Uri Enko do it. They want to see you on stage with Kyler. Actually, the visuals are on par.
Yeah.
Like, it's there. But who's taller? Depunim, right?
Depunim.
Depunim is so tall. He's so tall.
대표님 너무 잘생겼어요.
맞아.
우리 똑같아.
Yeah, slay.
Ang galing. Dito ka rin.
So Vinci, huh? Vinci and Kyler, please do AI
AI mo.
AI hug through. The hug you.
Yung gumagano.
No, bro. Hell no.
Why? Let's do it now.
Like
Act nyo lang na parang yan.
Why are you so weird about it?
yeah, I saw it on.
Oh my gosh, what? We were so
TK.
believable. Let's do it again. Wait,
Like-
let's so believable. Wait, what? We're so good, bro. We can get away with it. We can get away with it. We can be like, we're not real.
I think there's one. There's one.
Maglagay tayo ng filter para mas mukhang totoo. Wait. Kayo naman para magbati na kayo. Kayo naman yung mag-AI hug.
Wala.
Go.
3.
Parang hindi. Parang sinapting.
Hindi naman kasi may mga ibang AI na gumagano lang eh.
Smooth lang. Okay, alam ko marami lang nakita gusto nila O9. So O9's AI hug. O9's AI hug. Okay, ito. Wait, ready. Okay. Okay, AI group hug.
Paano yun?
AI group hug.
Gaganon lang tayo.
Oh, okay. Ngiti muna tayo. 5, 6, 7.
Naku-oriented tayo.
Si Jason. Wait, that was so fun. Next time we're gonna do that on somewhere. We're gonna be like, bro, let's do our hug. And we're gonna What's happening?
Ba't nanginginig? Kasi ano yung AI kasi.
Ganun kasi talaga yun.
Ano yun, like
Isolation.
edit. Kasi
Isolation.
picture lang talaga siya ang dalawang tao, tapos ginagawang nag-hug sila.
Yes, tawag doon ay keyframe. Keyframing.
Keyframing.
Keyframing?
Tingnan mo, magkunwari
Thank you for the rose. Diba yun?
Thank you for the rose!
Sige, sa concert AI group hug. Gawin natin. Sa AI concert. Sa concert, AI group hug.
Yeah, sige,
We can do it.
AI group hug sa
We're gonna be like, we are alright. Welcome to the Lobat na kami.
Oh, love.
Hindi, as persons. As people of the human
Pagod
earth.
kasi tayo kasi dami tayong sinasayaw.
Kaya nga eh.
Dami tayong pinaktis
Yeah.
ngayon. You're not tired.
Pero okay lang guys, kasi para sa inyo din naman yun.
For you, for us, and for our families and our friends and the whole
Universe.
earth. And what more planets do you want?
Gusto ko ng Saturn.
Wow. Okay. Ngayon, simula ngayon, no laughing challenge. Tapos bawal mag-English, dapat Tagalog lang. Tapos yung magtatagalog ay pipingutin ang ilong.
Mag-English?
Ay, oo, tama kayo.
Mag-English.
Oo, tama. Simula ngayon, yan.
Bawal ng Bisaya.
Bawal kahit ano, Tagalog muna tayo. Kasi tayo ay mga Pinoy.
Tayo ay mga Pilipino.
Dapat tayo ay
Nakasalukuyan naninirahan dito sa Korea.
tama.
Aming mga kababayan, kamusta ang iyong gabi?
Bawal tumawa, kaya ngayon ay pipingutin ang ilong. Bawal tumawa.
Sayo.
Oo, tumawa ka din.
Loy, tumama ako?
Oo, tumawa ka din.
Mayroong isang tao na nagsabi na para daw tayong kukuhanin ng langit.
Dahil sa ating...
Dahil sa ating filter.
Oh, wow, bro! That was so...
Tumawag ka rin.
Mahirap pala ang larong ito.
Mahirap talaga. Ako'y...
Ano?
Ako'y nanginginig sa
Ako'y
hirap.
nabibighani sa iyong mukha.
Oh,
Paano
ngumiti
mo
ka. Bawal ngumiti.
Sabi tawa lang ah.
Hindi, yun din.
Ay, well, okay.
Lo! Di yung Tagalog. Yung sinabi mo. Kaya ngayon, kami ay magsisimula ng maglaho. Kasi, alam
Kami ay
nyo ba
kinukuha na
na ngayon ay Oktubre 3 ng, paano sabihin yung taon?
Merong isang tao na nagsabi at nagtanong, nasaan daw ang isang nating membro na si Kim Hwat Nang
Si Kim Hwat Nang.
ay umuwi na.
Talaga?
Hindi pa.
Ata.
Grabe na siya.
Nasa Silya ba yun?
Nasa ano siya?
Pare, upuan.
Ay.
Tumawa ka.
Ay.
Nasaan ang ating membro? Membro?
Siya ay nasa ano?
Ating membro.
Nasa
Silid.
kantahan.
Merong isang nagsabi na kakantahan daw natin sila. Pero
Ay, yung
baka
silid
nakakalimutan
kantahan, guys.
ninyo ay kanina nung sinabi namin iyan
Ay,
ay
ano?
kailangan makakuha
Kami.
ng 1,000,000 manonood. At ngayon ay
Sasaksihan natin.
ngayon ay
Pupunta tayo
4,
kasama ang ating helicopter.
20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
10, 11, 12.
Nagtitira na lang ay 30.
30 manonood
At
lamang.
tayo ay
ang kailangan
magpapatuloy sa video okay.
sa pagkakanta.
Sa tama.
Tama.
Video. Not video.
Kaya kung ako sa inyo ay ipakita nyo na to sa mga pamilya ninyo o sa mga kaibigan ninyo para mapakita ng ibang tao ang itong
Para ka daw ano,
Google.
Marcus.
Okay, ipakita daw ang mga panga. 1, 2, 3.
May hindi umiinom.
Patay siya.
Ngayon kami ay nagbabalik at malapit na talaga tayong makaabot sa 1,000 manonood at magpakailanman tayong
Kaya lamang, Sam na manonood na lang.
Ayun na!
Ang kulang, 2!
Ayun na! Wow! Sige!
Hindi.
If the world...
Hindi, wait. Hindi Tagalog yun.
Ay,
Sabi
tama.
mo.
Kung ang mundo'y matatapos, ako'y mamamatay nakangiti.
Pero
susunod,
dahil 1,000 manonood naman lamang ang mga nanonood ngayong sa iyong itigil na ba natin ang itong laro?
Tama!
Ako'y nahihirapan na!
Yeah, we are back.
Okay guys, come on, let's sing. What should we sing?
If the world.
Ang galing ko dun mag-translate.
Bro, that was like the hardest thing I've
That
ever
was on
done
the
in my
spot.
life.
But I loved it. It was very high stakes.
It was really high stakes. I'm surprised at that. Okay.
You got it!
Yeah.
You were saying manonood. You were
That's
saying
like-
miembro.
I was saying words I didn't even know.
You
That was
knew.
in my vocabulary.
It was. It was inside of you all along, kid.
My Pinoy heart has
Katabing.
Grown! Majayo! Yes, love the Tagalog. Oh, yan na. Ala, bumalik sa hindi 1,000. Oh. Bumalik! Bumalik na.
Okay. Ay, bumalik na naman.
Bumalik!
Okay.
Wala.
Ayan. Okay, so
Tama, dyan lang
natutuloy
kayo.
na namin ang aming kantahan.
Ang aming ending.
Bumalik na naman sa 1,000. Ay, 100. Tama ba yan?
Yes! Okay. Sige,
So,
kakanta na kami.
ngayon kasama na po namin ang bilis. Ang ipapakita ko, ang bilis.
Gets. Oh, wow. Nakita niya si Pacquiao.
Nakita na,
Yeah. Nakita niya si Pacquiao.
nakita na ni Pakita bilis si Manny Pacquiao.
At himala,
Wow, natuwa ka dyan. Nagtatagalog ka pa rin.
nakipagsapakan siya kay Manny Pacquiao.
At siya ay natalo.
At siya ay kumanta ng kanta ni Manny Pacquiao.
Anong gusto niyong kanta ba?
It's working.
Ay, hindi.
5 Little Monkeys.
Bro.
Wala naman yun ulit. Ayoko na ng 5 Little Monkeys.
5 little monkeys, Humpty Dumpty.
Okay, ito na. Magsisimula na talaga kami. Okay, mic check. Nasaan yung mic? Ito. Singing? I don't know that.
Ikaw ay tilasing sa museong di maluluma. Pili kong ginto hanggang kaluluwa. Gonna keep you like an icon shit all my life. Not this one, I want something else.
How about... Do they have anything they
You
want?
guys want to... What should we sing?
Keep saying...
I'm not good at singing.
Sa
Nag-comment si Kaya Angel.
Hello po! Long time no see.
We miss you.
Kaya?
Ate Angela.
Oh, we watched
miss ka
Walang
namin.
Biroan.
Ang ganda ng Walang Biroan.
Yeah, we liked it.
I like the walang biroan.
Maganda yun.
I'm the first one who watched it.
Walang biroan. Kasi ikaw laman ng puso't isip ko.
Oh.
Sayo, nagtagpo.
Ay, pinagtagpo.
Walang biro.
Like this.
Yeah.
Like it. Slay.
Okay. You pick out.
Okay. How about some Billie Eilish?
I like that. Oh.
Do you guys like Billie Eilish? Small
Shit.
girl.
I know that sound.
It's rainy day. Oh yeah, we did the cover of that. But you did the piano.
I did the piano.
Okay, we can do rainy day for our warm up. Okay,
Sure,
we can. If we can find a karaoke right now.
Palitan daw natin yung filter natin,
Ay,
guys.
sige.
Ang sakit daw sa mata.
Yeah, off na. Kasi kanina pa to ng AI.
Masyado kaming na-immerse.
Yes.
Oh. I actually want to go to the restroom first because I feel like I can't hold it anymore.
Sure, you should go to the restroom and
oh my gosh, so late.
I'm gonna warm up. Guys, we're gonna sing for like maybe just 20 minutes just because we don't want to break any promises. Although it is kind of like going like from 900 to 1,000. But it doesn't matter because we reached it anyway, so we're gonna do it. And also, please share it to your friends because we're gonna sing for like the first time. Like we're gonna do a proper karaoke thing. And we have a backup dancer as well. This is like a big moment. So tell your friends, tell your mom, tell your Lola, tell your anyone that we are literally live on Instagram singing. Okay, so what song should we sing? We're gonna wait for our leader because I'm gonna duet with our leader.
왔어요.
Is your mic working already?
Oh. Hey, hey, hey. Hello, hello, hello. Can you find it?
I couldn't find it.
Renid.
You already told everyone, good job. Guys, by the way, hindi namin makita lahat ng comments kasi super bilis niya.
Oh, Ani?
We can just sing along with it.
Yeah, we can sing along with it. Wow, thumbnail. Okay, you can do the first part. Good warm up.
Are you guys ready
For the next challenge.
for the next battle?
I need water too.
Which one do you want to do first?
You can go. Choose one, and I'll be back, and we will buy.
Okay.
Pala.
Na, 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 na.
Sumayaw sa muna drop version.
That would be cool.
We're just gonna do one song, and we're gonna end the live.
Okay, that sounds good.
So let's just do one
Do you want
last
to do this one?
Oh, I'm fine with that.
Okay. Or this one?
Isn't that?
Yeah. I forgot how it goes. Okay, but it's okay. Okay. You know what I'm scared of is we're gonna get copyright striked. So.
Really? I don't think so, because it's an instrumental.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I don't think so. What? Some water? Birds of a feather? Stand up. I haven't tried that. Hey, hey.
I'll sing it first. I hope you guys liked it.
Yeah, it was so nice blending.
Yeah, that was
with
like
you
the
guys.
first time we kind of did that.
Yeah, I think so.
It's nice. Anyway, everyone sleep well.
Sleep well, prepare well for the month ahead, and don't forget to enroll. Don't forget to enroll.
Correct.
And it doesn't matter if you're gonna enroll a day before, a week before, on the day itself. That's possible, right?
I think so. I hope.
Or maybe now. You want it now, you want it later. Anytime from today until November 3, get enrolled. Get enrolled, get involved, and go to Day Tour Anchor High.
Correct.
Good night.
Night, guys.
Thank you. See you soon. See you soon. Ay!
There's like-
gusto niyo ba mag-bye? Gusto niyo ba makita? Okay. Mag-screenshot muna tayo.
There's like only 4 of us left.
Oh yeah. Because some are doing their own stuff, practicing as well. So let's... Yeah, Racer can hear us. Racer! Break! Screenshot. Screenshot.
아쉬워. They couldn't hear us properly
진짜?
because the music was too high.
Should we do another one?
I think we should do one last. After screenshot, we'll do one last.
Okay. They're like, okay, let's
Okay,
go back.
no. We screenshot. We screenshot.
Oh yeah, we still need screenshot. And then after the last song,
We end it.
we end it. Let's do...
Can we do heart? Is it
Oh
possible?
yeah, I think so. Wow! And let's do 11-3.
11-3.
November 3.
Ah, you're right.
Oh wow, that's amazing.
Whoa,
this.
I just realized. Good job.
November 3.
Guys, we'll sing one last.
One last?
Because
'Cause they couldn't hear it?
Because they couldn't hear.
Talaga ba? Or are they tripping?
I don't know. I just saw one comment that said sayang ang lakas daw ng audio of the song.
But it's true. The music is too loud.
Oh, you heard it?
All right. Well, you open your iPad. Let's do this one last time.
What? Ano ba? It's hard. It's hard to find the last song to sing. Do you want some chapel round? It's hard. July. Oh, do you know All I Want?
No.
Oh, you don't. Telepathy.
We can do another Billie Eilish song.
Which one?
The I Don't Wanna Be You Anymore.
Okay.
You know that one?
Okay, I'm scared.
Okay, wait. Let's see.
This one? I'm scared.
I think this one, but we have to check the audio first.
Okay.
Which this is fine.
What you say,
Yeah.
That's cool.
Bro, I couldn't find the key at the first part.
Yeah, it was hard. It was
It's
hard.
so hard to find it. Okay, is it better now, guys?
Was that
better
better?
than the first one?
Someone saying hala. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
Is the audio better? Because we kind of toned it down.
Yeah.
Anyways, hopefully it was better.
Yeah.
No one's saying anything, so.
Yeah. They were like, that was okay. Thank you.
Thank you guys. Sleep well.
Isa pa daw. Aw, thank you. We will perform more.
Yes, we
in
will.
the in the coming month. In the coming month.
Exactly.
So please, yeah, be there.
Correct. Bye, guys.
Bye bye. Thank you. One a cappella. Okay. What can we sing a cappella? Because this is easier. We can do any key we want.
Right.
You can do it. What song do you feel like? Maybe you should do the Museo.
Museo? But there's already a cover of that. We can listen to it anytime.
Okay.
What's the song that we haven't sang yet?
I'm thinking It Will Rain. Do you like It Will Rain? Do you know that?
If you ever leave me, baby. Okay.
Should we do that? Acapella lang. Or hindi, ano bang? That's too high though. That's very high.
It is very high.
Let's just end the song with an acapella. That's it. Because we just saw one last comment, they said acapella, and we're like, okay, we never done that. Palagi.
Palagi na tantumadyo.
Wait, what's Creed?
Palagi na tantumadyo.
Rhythm iba
out together.
Do we want to end it with so long? Let's end it with a bang. Okay. Okay. Wait, I'm thinking right now. I'm like thinking of a good one. Wait, why am my mind's blank? I just want to end it nice. Okay, lay me down.
Is it how does it go? Is it Daniel Caesar?
No, that's Sam Smith, bro. It's Sam Smith.
Okay.
Can I lay by your side next to you? That was
something
I was shocked.
I would have never done.
Okay, now your turn. Why are we doing this ourselves? But I love it.
Bro, acapella. I just realized acapella is much harder than
Really?
when there's karaoke.
Well, that was hard. Thank you. Is that the one? Ayun yung museo?
Yeah.
Yun lang.
Are you guys satisfied?
Yeah, I think they are. We'll miss you guys.
Good night. Everyone sleep because it's actually
Bitin pa rin. Okay, next time magkakaraoke
next time
live talaga tayo.
we'll do karaoke time.
Yeah, actual karaoke time because this was just a thing.
Yeah.
Bye!
Bye guys.